Hello everyone, this is Kushita. You are watching Tech and English YouTube channel. Happy Christmas to all.
Hello everyone, this is Sarinath. Welcome to Tech Content English YouTube channel. Yes, today is Christmas. Merry Christmas to all. In this video, I'll be briefing about the routing. What is routing? What are all the advantages of routing and what are all the disadvantages of routing? In simple terms, root means having root access of your device or having administrative privileges of your device. You might be thinking that you are owning the device and you have full control on your device, but actually it is not. Your manufacturer is the administrator of your device. He is allowing you to use that device with certain limits. In other way, your manufacturer has given you the options for you to choose that settings and does not mean like you can override and create your own settings. Okay, let's talk about the advantages of routing. The first advantage that I can say is you can go and install the latest updated software into your device and enjoy the benefits of that software. For instance, if you are using any Android mobile and this device is working on Android 10 version and you wish to upgrade to Android 11, you can go and choose this Android 11 after routing. In this case, you need not wait for your manufacturer to send the updates for upgrading into Android 11. You can go and directly use this Android 11. The next advantage is removing the pre-installed OEM apps or bloatware. The manufacturer would have given the devices with some preloaded apps, though some of them will be useful for you and some of them are not at all useful for you. So you wish to uninstall them, but you will not able to uninstall them all. So after rooting, you can remove all the apps that you don't wish to have within the devices. So this will free up your internal storage. The next advantage and the major advantage is installing the ROMs. In the present market, we see many ROMs that have innovative and best features, but however, we are not able to use into our devices. By routing your devices, you can go and adopt these ROMs and you can go and grab that benefits out of that ROMs. In fact, these ROMs will give you a better performance of the devices than what we have. The next advantage and the useful advantage that we have is blocking ads. When you open your devices, the devices will play some ads. So you can snooze maybe after few seconds. Though you wish to block these ads, you don't have the privilege to block the ads. Routing is the best solution for this block. The next advantage that we have is you can go and install the useful apps that we wish. Your device may not be supported for all the apps to install and use it. Either it can be limitation from the software or it can be locked by the administrator. So after rooting, you have administrative privileges where you can go and unlock and use the apps. The next advantage that we have is backup, where you can go and backup all the apps that we are using, all the data that we are using without any limitation. There are many apps that are available in the present market where you can use any of the app for your backing like Titanium. Also, you can take the backup into different devices and later you can move it from the devices. The next major advantage that we have is you can get it and use the latest software updates. You need not wait for the manufacturer to send the update into your devices. The next advantage that we have is control on the clock speed of the CPU. Either you can use the overclocking of the CPU. This will give a better performance. So your device is not a premium model to have a high clock speed. By enable this high clock speed, you will see the better performance of the devices. Your device may perform even better than the stock Android performance. Also, you can do underclocking of the CPU speed. By doing this underclocking of the CPU speed, you can increase the battery life of the devices. The next advantage, though I don't suggest here, but still I am mentioning here, there are many paid apps where you can go and hack it and use on your devices. It is illegal, so I'm not suggesting you to do this. The next advantage that we have is customization or theming options. There are many third-party apps that has the best customization and theming options where you can go and grab it. Also, you can change your custom font where the customization and theming options will entirely change the view of your mobile appearance where you feel like using of a premium model. After using of this routing option, you don't wish to continue, maybe you can do unroot of your devices also. Now let's talk about the disadvantages of routing. If routing went wrong, which could turn your devices into more expensive or can become a useless brick. This could be because each device or each model of the devices has its own routing process. If you skip or miss any one step, then your routing process will not be done. Failing of this routing process may stop the devices either at the boot stage. That boot stage means where you can see your manufacturer logo, or sometimes it don't turn on the devices also. So please don't experiment your device unless you are very sure that it will work for your device. The next disadvantage is your device will not carry warranty. Once you have taken the privileges of administrator will not give you the warranty services on your devices. Your device manufacturer will track of routing and unrouting since they would have installed an app that would track that routing and unrouting. So you cannot claim warranty by just unrouting of the devices. The next disadvantages is your devices will vulnerable for malware or hacking. Since you gain the administrative privileges where you can go and install any app, means whatever the apps you download is not so secure and can be hacked by anyone. Unless we have a good antivirus and with good VPN service. The next disadvantage is your devices will be missing official software update. Next disadvantage is though you try to increase the speed of the clock speed, sometimes it may not work for your devices, which in turn may slow down your device. The next disadvantage is if you are not playing any ads, the developer will not get any revenue out of the ads. So it means the developer has to pay the amount for the developing of any apps or any simplifying of the apps. So this may lead either increase in the prices of the devices or stop releasing the updates. Hope I have given all the required information on what is routing, the advantages and disadvantages of the routing in this video. And my humble request, don't go for routing process unless you are very sure the results are so accurate into your devices. If you like my video, please do subscribe, share, comment and hit the bell icon to receive my next videos. Thank you. Hope to see you in my next video.